Hi everyone, today I'm going to repair this lawnmower. I'm Tommy from Beggy-PaPa's Garden. On this channel, I fix broken garden machines and remake unwanted items to create a more sustainable garden. Alright, let's get started. According to the previous owner, this lawnmower's engine doesn't start. But at first glance, it doesn't look very old, so I feel like it should run. This is a 4-stroke mower, and the brand is probably Gardener's Choice. Maybe the badge used to be here and fell off. Here's the fuel filter and fuel hose. I don't see any blockages or cracks. The throttle cable moves smoothly, no sticking. The engine oil is filled, but it's a bit dirty. If the engine runs properly later, I'll change the oil. Here's the fuel tank. There's almost no fuel inside, but by the smell, it is petrol. I'm going to add some fresh 98 petrol for testing. The carburetor looks unusually clean. Maybe someone has already cleaned it. This is the air filter. Yep, it's very clean. No need to replace it at all. I also don't see any debris inside the airbox. Now let's check underneath. All 4 blades are there. They are a little worn, but still fine to use. I'll probably sharpen them later. Now that the basic check is done, let's try the first pull. It doesn't start, but when I pull the recoil, I can feel good compression and no strange noises. So let's check the ignition system. Here's the spark plug cap, and it's not fully attached. It doesn't click onto the plug properly. Let's take out the spark plug. Did you notice? The spark plug is loose. I can remove it by hand. Maybe the previous owner tried to check it. The plug itself isn't worn and looks okay. It smells like fuel, but it's not overly wet. And here's the problem. The plug size is wrong. With this plug, there's no way we can get spark. Anyway, let's try a spark test. I'll connect the plug to the cap and place the tip against the metal part of the engine. Then pull the recoil. If everything works, we should see a spark. No spark. Let's check the plug again. This plug has a removable brass terminal nut. Let's take off these clips. Still no spark, and the plug feels extremely tight inside the cap. Maybe it's the wrong size, or maybe the cap is damaged. Next, I'll try a spark test by inserting a metal rod directly into the plug wire. It's weak, but there is a spark. You can't see it well on camera, but I can see and hear the little popping sounds. So the ignition coil is alive. If the coil works, the plug should fire. Maybe the spark plug itself is the real problem. So, I bought a new spark plug. According to the specs, the correct one is Beggy-PaPa 6ES. Let's install it. But even with the correct plug, the cap still doesn't slide on easily. And then, a problem happened. The recoil rope snapped. This mower isn't that old, so maybe it was poor quality. But anyway, it's an easy fix. Remove the 4 screws holding the recoil unit. Rethread the rope through the handle and tie a knot. Done. Then reinstall everything. Let's try again. Sorry, the spark is still too weak to show on camera, so I'll push the plug cap on as firmly as possible and see what happens. If there's even a little spark, the engine should start. And finally, the engine started. Let's add more fuel and let it warm up until the idle becomes stable. Now it's running smoothly. So today's repair was a lawnmower that wouldn't start. The cause was the wrong spark plug installed, a simple human error. Now that it runs, I'll change the oil and sharpen the blade, and this mower should work great again. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestions or advice, please let me know in the comments below. I'm going to share my new experiences, my challenges, and my mistakes. If you would support me, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And see you at the next video. Bye.